So this is spring where I live. Not even the banks are working. We're, I think, in total ice mode. So that's how it's gonna be. I'll show you how it looks outside. So that's our state right now. We're having a wee bit of ice. Look at this. And our whole town is in a power outage. So nothing works. The flag blew off from somewhere. Even our flag fell down. Like, I don't even know what to say about that. Look at the ice, though. We were just... all our snow had just melted. We were just sapping our trees. It's like plus temperatures, plus 11 or something like that. And then we get the ice on this building. Must have been plastered with the wind too, for it to look like that. I was out taking pictures, because that's what I do. Timeless Salon and Spa. So I guess it's not the Mona Lisa anymore. Gotta get a couple pictures of this east stairs. Cause that's like really cool. Look at the ice. Look how thick it is. That's what you call a winter storm. There's even icicles forming on the building. Somebody didn't take their air conditioner out. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, I think I've literally been talking to myself for like 5 minutes with my phone on pause. Anybody know what that is? That's super cool. Look how thick that ice is though. Sad. Oh, maybe the power's back on. Wonder if my power's back on. Because look at, power's just coming back on. Woohoo. There must have been an accident or something. Computer job readiness. I want to get across the street though, because there's some cool trees over there. And that would probably be cool. Look at, that's a cool building, eh? Hey? That means when I was showing you my ADD, we were paused. Wonder if I actually got a picture of those stairs. Not these stairs, the stairs around the corner. My brain is dead. When I was here, because I don't remember.